Hi, my name is Zumair. I'm a computer programmer, and I'm really excited to show you this project I've been working on. Let me paint you a scenario. You're an attorney, and you've been practicing law for a few years, so you've collected a few clients. Your case management software is feeling a little outdated, and you've found a new platform that can help take your practice to the next level. You talk to that company that will be taking on your client's data, and they inform you you can import all your clients as long as you put them into an Excel file. So you ask your previous company to provide you with a list of clients and their data. Little do you know, it's not that simple. They send you hundreds of Excel files, all with weird numbers and names, and you try to find your client's data, but all their names are on one file with their phone numbers, addresses, emails, etc., all in different files. You think, oh well, let me ask that company if they can help. So you talk to your company's rep, and they inform you they would be happy to help you out for $3,000. So you think, okay, I'm just going to suck it up and put all my clients' info into a spreadsheet. Might take me a while, but it won't be $3,000. Unfortunately, they also inform you that the Excel file does not include the case notes, and those would have to be input manually after clients are imported. By this time, you're left with little choice. Fork over the $3,000 or go through the task of compiling all your client data into one Excel file manually, then going through your client files one by one on the new platform, copy-pasting the notes in. Oh, and did I mention? There are 16,000 lines of notes. Enter me and my good friend, Python. No, not that Python. Get your heads out of the gutters, ladies. Python programming. Python is one of the most versatile and one of the easiest languages to learn and used for a multitude of different use cases. It's a scripting language, and unlike many other languages that require you to compile your code into an executable file, you can just type your code, hit run, and see the magic happen. Like this here. Right now, what you're seeing is my script in action. Firstly, I had to use the library pandas to compile the relevant client data from different spreadsheets into one so we can give it to the new case management company. If you haven't figured out by now, the files were an exported SQL type relational database. That's why client data was spread across different files and referenced each other's data by reference keys. Pandas is a library specifically made for reading and manipulating spreadsheets and made it quite easy to find the client keys in all the files and compile the data into one. After giving that spreadsheet to the company, we waited for them to import on their end. Then I created another script, this time using a library called Selenium, which is designed for web scraping and browser automation, to take the notes from another spreadsheet and type it in manually into the browser client by client. Basically, my script here is doing what the attorney was planning to do with a team of his staff over the course of months. Just now, it's taking less than a day. You can see here, it's looking for clients. It's going to have to blur this out because it's client data. But you can see it's manipulating the browser and typing in the data for each client, finishes, clicks next, closes it out, goes to the next client, and does it all over again. And is doing this for 1,000 or so clients with about 16,000 lines of notes. So there you have it, Python programming to the rescue. In another video, I'll explain how I use these libraries to create the scripts here. So if you'd like to see that, be sure to like this video. That way I know to make that one. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you want to see more stuff like this in the future, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for taking the time to listen me ramble about this project. It's been my most interesting and fulfilling programming project to date, and I'm looking forward to many, many more to come. I'm Zumair, logging off. Hi. And you found a new platform that can help take that. Get your head out of the ladies' gutters. Get your head out of the ladies' gutters. Oh, and did I mention there are 16,000 lines of... Hi, my name is Zumair, and I'm a computer programmer, web developer, and overall badass. Ah, shit. And I want to... What am I? I'm a computer programmer. I'm a I'm a computer programmer, a web developer, and overall badass. Why did I say that? Okay. Hi, my name is Zumair. And I'm a computer programmer. In another video, I'll explain how I use these libraries to create this Python project I've been... I'm Zumair, a computer programmer. Shoot. Hi, I'm Zumair, a computer programmer. Damn it, what am I going to say? I'm a computer programmer, web developer, and hi, my name is Zumair. I'm a computer programmer, and I'm here to show you a project I've been Hi. Hi. My name is Zumair. Fucking A. Hi. I'm Zumair. Fucking fuck. If you haven't figured out by now, the files were an exported SQL. After giving that spreadsheet to the new company, we waited for them to import on their 3, 2, 1. Type it in manually into the browser client called Selenium, which is designed for web scraping and browser automation, to take the notes from which is designed for web scraping and browser automation. To take the notes from your comments, be sure to leave them below. And if you want to see more stuff like this in the future, be sure to subscribe. I already said that. Files and referenced each other's date. Nope, not that Python. Get your heads out of the gutters, ladies. Python programming. All right, let's try that again.